Good afternoon everybody. Today I'll take a class in Excel. Okay. How to use Excel functions, how to use text functions, how to use text function in Excel. Okay, my name is Rizwan. I am a computer faculty of Baikan Park Computer Center, Tumkur. I will go to Excel. Okay. Now I will maximize the size. Okay, I will give the list of names. Okay. Here will say Naveen Kumar. Naveen Kumar. Here will say Ajay Kumar. Here will say Sandeep K. Or here will say Raghu Yadav. Like that. Okay. Now what I will do? This program. Now suppose now if I want to initialize the starting letter of each word as capital. Okay. For that you have a function called proper. Okay. You have a function called proper. Open the bracket. Select the name. Close the bracket. Okay. Now see other here. Now with this proper function, what is doing is initializing the starting letter as capital. Okay. Starting letter as capital. Rest of the letters as small. Now once if I drag, see. Now it's showing the each starting letter of the word as capital. Okay. This is the use of proper. Okay. Now next word we have. Now suppose one more thing is there, and if I say equals, we have a function called upper. Okay. Select the name, close the bracket. Upper what will do? It will make all the letters as capital letter. That is uppercase. Okay. For converting small letter to capital letter or lowercase to uppercase. If I drag, it's right. Same thing what I will do again. Okay. Now here also, suppose if I want, okay, I will say equals. Suppose if I say lower. See, lower is for converting capital to small. Now once again if I drag, what will happen? See, same thing it will come. Like that. See, these are the functions which are commonly using in Excel. That is proper, upper, lower, and one more function. That is called as what? Len. Okay. That is len. Okay. Now we have function called equals. You say len. Open the bracket. Select the name. Close the bracket. Enter. See, len is for finding the size of each and every name. Okay. Next what we have. Suppose I say first name, then I say second name, then I say last name, then I say full name. This is mainly used in passports. Okay, if you want to combine all the names into a single name. Suppose I say Naveen Kumar P. Okay, or I say Sanjay Kumar. I say Patnaik, or I say Patnaik. I say like that. Okay. Now what you have to do, if you want to combine all these three names into a single name, you have a function called concatenate. Okay. You say equals concatenate, concatenate for combining all the different names into a single name. Open the bracket. Select the name one by one. Select first name, comma, second name, comma, third name. Okay. Then close the bracket. Enter. Okay. Now see. Now it's coming like this. Okay. Now suppose I want space in between the words. If you want space in between the words, if you want to edit the text, you have a function called F2. Press F2. Okay. Now if you want some space in between what you do? Here you use inverted quotes. Okay. Inverted quotes use in between the text. Okay. This is for giving space between the words. Now once if I press enter, see, if you want to give space in between the words. Now once if I drag, see, you can see this. Like that, if you want to combine three different words into a single word, that is called as what? That is called concatenate. Okay, concatenate. And one more thing is there. You have a function called that is replace. Suppose if you want to correct the letter of spelling of the word. Okay. Suppose if I say equals, I'll say replace. Okay, you have a function called. Suppose here what I'll do, I type some name. Okay. Suppose I type the name as Raghu Kumar. Now in this Raghu Kumar, what I will do? In this Raghu Kumar, I will make some mistake. Suppose I will say here, I will say instead of Raghu Kumar, I will say AB. Okay, AB is there. Okay. And again, what I will do? I will use comma. Wanted I will make a mistake. Now instead of AB, I want to add as RA. Okay, I want to add RA. No, actually this replace what is doing is taking as position. A as first position, B as second position, G as third position, H as fourth position, like that. Now the AB is position 1 and 2. Okay. Now first let's say 1, 2. That is first and second position. Comma. Now I'll give the correct word. I want to replace AB by which number? I'll say RA. RA. Close the inverted comma. Enter. See now replaced by Raghu Kumar. Raghu Kumar. Okay. Okay. Next what I will do. Now this for replacing. And so once again equals you say replace. Open the bracket. Okay. Now suppose if I say again because the string always string must be given quotes. Now suppose for Naveen again I will put I'll say NAVE. Then I'll say here R. Okay. I'll say RA. Okay. As R I'll say RT. Okay. I'll say Kumar. I'll say Kumar. Now suppose I want to replace in between the characters. Okay. Now I'll say what again comma. Okay. Here I'll say now Naveen is N, A is 2, V is 3, E is 4, like that. Okay. Now I want to replace for what? That is RT. Okay. RT is in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'd say what? 5, 2. Say 5, 2. Now what will happen? This R is in fifth position. Again from that fifth position, again is taken from 1 position. That is R is 1. Again T is 2. Comma. Now what letter I will do it course? I will be replacing with that RT by correct letter. Okay. What is that? Okay. EN. Okay. And that is RT will be replaced by what? EN. So the inverted comma enter. So like that. Okay. If you want to edit the text, F2. Okay. I am replacing the old position by new position. Okay. These are replace. And one more we have that is called substitute. Actually, what is substitute? Now suppose it was you say substitute. Open the bracket. Suppose if I say Jack and Jill. Okay. For Jack and Jill, I'll make a mistake. I'll say rack and. Okay. I'll say rack and drill. Rack and. I'll say drill. Rack and drill. Now what I'll do? Now I want to substitute R in terms of J. R in terms of J. For that I'll say what? First I type the wrong word which is given. Then I substitute with the correct word. That is letter J. Now what will happen? And say press enter. It's showing. Okay. Simplify. There is R is substituted as J. R is substituted as J. Okay. That is the meaning of this. Okay. And today understood what is replace, what is substitute, what is proper, then what is upper, then what is lower. Okay. These things. And one more is there. Now this trim. One function called trim. This is very important. Trim is for removing unwanted spaces. Now suppose if I say here for micro I'll say M space, I'll say I space, I'll say C space, I'll say R space, O space. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll close the bracket. Close the inverted comma. Okay. Then I'll close the bracket. Now what is happening? In trim what will happen? It will keep one space and it will remove more than one space. It gives single spacing and remove more than one spacing. That is called trim. So once you press enter, what is happening? See, it is removing the space which is more than single space. More than single space. So that is the use of trim. Okay. Now if you want to see all the formulas and function, you have a tab called, you go to that is you go to formula. Okay, you go to formula. If you want to see what are the formula you have done in the Excel sheet, you go to formula, then you go to show formula. Show formula. See, it will show what are the formulas available, what are the formulas are done. Okay, it will show all the list of formulas which is done here. Okay, like that. And if you want, you can decrease the size. Okay, see here you can see the list of formulas which I have done. Okay, okay.